Alright guys, welcome back. Excuse the mess. I have to work in like literally an hour, so I'm rushing to get this video out there because I just picked up, as you can see, the Hero 9, and boy am I super excited because the one that you are currently on is the Hero 6 Black, which I normally record in 4K or 1440p, but this boy right here, this is the new. I'm really excited to bring you guys this unboxing. It's been a long time coming. I mean, it seems like forever ago that I got my Hero 6. And I love it, you guys. I've had minimal issues with my Hero 6. If anything, I just wish they would have increased the stabilization back then. But from everything that I'm hearing, the stabilization is just absolutely amazing. So, yeah. Anyways, that was Pete, you guys. Me and him are chatting because of course I gotta tell Pete Hager that I got the brand new GoPro, so shout out to you, Pete. Let's get right into this unboxing here, guys. I'm super excited. It looks like it already has a case contained within the box, so I'm really excited about that. I'm just gonna tear right into it. Don't really care. So first things first, yes, they give you a nice cool carrying case that I can add to all of the other cases I currently have. Let's do some unboxing here, guys. Let's see. Wow, this looks awesome already. Subscribe to GoPro, you guys. I'm already a subscriber to GoPro. No, I'm not paid by or sponsored by GoPro, obviously. You guys have seen my videos. But I am a subscriber to GoPro Plus, which allows me to upgrade to the cloud. And I just got it, by the way, and you guys know how much video recording I do. So, literally my computer has been uploading to the cloud for like 3 months now, and I'm still nowhere near done. So anyways, GoPro Plus allows complete protection over your device, along with unlimited cloud storage. And you get discounts, stuff like that. You just scan the QR code, whatever. Nice little instructions here. I hope the camera is pointed in a good direction so you can actually see what I'm looking at. Looks like a USB Type-C. I needed another one of these anyways. Thank you, GoPro. I did get an extra battery with it. Yes, it's over there. I did get an extra battery, even though these batteries are supposed to be lasting 40% longer than the old ones. I do like the blue. I like the way they look. This is really sharp, you guys. Like, I know it's just a battery, but you don't understand like how much I dig GoPro and their stuff. So, another cool mount, which I absolutely needed, and another cool sticky that I absolutely needed. Another one of these awesome screws from GoPro. You never have too many of these. And without further ado, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Wow, it is very much bigger than the last one, you guys. I'm noticing this already. You can just tell it's already way heavier. So I'm just wondering how much of an issue this is going to be on my helmet. So luckily for me, somebody was asking me about my mount. This is the mount that I have, you guys. This is the mount right here. It's just a cheap little mount. It's called a 360 mount or something because you can turn this like that. But I just keep it like, it's like a chip bag, like you would have for a chip bag. I literally just clip it and then mount the GoPro, done. Like, that's it, you guys. That's my setup. So anyways, go back to the GoPro. So yeah, let's peel this. I know you guys, I don't even know how to do this. Wow, this is like shrink wrapped on there. How odd. I'll slide it off, I guess. Yes, just slide it off. Got that. Now you guys probably want to hear this. And this one. And this GoPro, you guys, I don't know how much you guys have looked into these GoPros, but this this lens comes off and you can replace it and get different filters, stuff like that. This is they reintroduced the front facing screen again, so now you can see what you're shooting. They did this on the Hero 8. Like I said, this is the 6, so I missed out on this feature completely. But oh, this is the big one. What am I waiting on? Sorry guys, I know you guys are probably like, what is he doing? Probably couldn't hear it with the car going by, but Anyways, yeah, this is very robust. Very robust, you guys. It feels durable, and it feels really good. Like the texture, it's like a rough texture, like a rough plastic almost. Obviously, they got the built-in mounts, which is another feature I missed out on that has been done on the other GoPros, which I think is cool, or some of the other ones. I forget which one, maybe the Max. But yeah, this is it, guys. Let's see where we put the battery in. So that's the on-off. This is, I would assume, where the battery goes. I don't know how to do this. I'll probably fucking break it. Watch me break it, guys. Maybe I should read a video on it, huh? Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably break it. I'll have to watch a video how to insert the battery, but obviously it's pretty damn tight, as you can see, because there's a little thing on there, but I got bad eyes. I know this is the door, but I'm not sure how to open it. Yeah, I'll probably break it. So I'll watch a video on how to open the battery door, you guys. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. GoPro Hero 9 for the win. I'm hoping to test this bad boy out. Okay, guys, just on a side note, I did get the battery in there. You just have to really push hard on that little latch, okay? Just wanted to clarify. Thank you. I'm thinking about if I should post it here